Welcome to my kitchen. Today we will be making peanut butter and jelly. I'm trying to save money, so I'm bringing lunch to work. But it's like this early in the morning. Yeah, it's like 5:15 now. It's kind of a hassle to just get waking up, so trying to make some food is like more hassle. Another day, another backache. There's barely any peanut butter in here. Look how much peanut butter's left in here. It's nothing. I may have to go for some of the dreaded creamy peanut butter. Like, what am I, my mother? Okay, that's just barely enough to spread on the bread. Now I gotta go and find something to put with it. Let's see if we've got any apples. My special peanut butter and jelly recipe. I am done with work for today, and tomorrow's my day off, and it is absolutely gorgeous outside. Oh my god, it started out like, 31 degrees when I left. I had to heat up my car, and now it's like, oh, it's so nice and warm and lovely. I bought some stuff to make some mashed potatoes because I'm craving mashed potatoes for some reason, and then after that, I'm probably gonna go do something outside because this is just, this is what I've been needing so badly. Well, I ate my mashed potatoes and they were so good. And now I'm just here trying to get my vitamin D. Still not sure what to do today. I don't really want to go on a walk or anything, because I was at work for 8 hours standing on my feet. My back is like, no walking. I heard something. I heard a lot of things, because I'm outside. I guess I'll work on my doll some more. And it's like good weather for her face to, set and dry. Greetings, flesh bags. Apparently I'm a robot now. I'm doing spotlight and doing one of those sheep masks. And it said it was, holographic unicorn mask. It's like a little not holographic and a lot more Tin Man. It's supposed to be like, holographic, rainbow sheen, all that stuff. So I did do some work on my doll today. I did the first layer of pastels for her face. And then when I sprayed on another layer of sealant, I forgot to shake the can. So we got a lot of little white spots instead of actual sealant. So I basically had to wipe it all off. And I have to start over again tomorrow. So remember to shake the can when you're using a spray so you're not just getting aerosol. Or whatever the aerating agent is. Still didn't go out and do things. I'm going to try tomorrow since that's my day off, but one issue is it's going to be raining tomorrow. I'll find something. Good night.